This is Super Bee Shirley with BBSBs. Today is Friday, June 10th, 2022. It is approximately 3:30 in the afternoon. It's 79 degrees. There's no breeze. 79 degrees Fahrenheit. It's pretty hot in my suit. We lost part of the tree canopy over the winter. So we have more sun, which I guess I'm okay with. It's not so much dappled shade anymore. So come along with me as we take a look inside the Sweet Gnome Hive. It's been 2 weeks since I've been in here. This hive had little ants last time I was in here. Little ants have since moved on. No, they have not. Now we have little tiny bugs. Sure, those are little flies. So 2 weeks ago, I still had the wool pillow on over here, and ants were living underneath that pillow. Since removed it, and it seems like ants are not here. We have 16 frames in this hive, plus 2 divider boards. No dead bees I have to get out of there for them, so let's see what's going on inside the hive. So I got my tools, my smoker's going, hive tool, and my bee brush, and my frames that I need to put in the hive are behind me. My can of fuel in case I feel like I need to refuel, but I don't think I will. I was quick in the other hive. I'll be quick in this one as well. So I'll be inserting some frames, doing some checkerboarding with what I currently have to put inside the hive. From last year, they got to do some filling out. So I'm going to make sure anything that's got honey is put in the hive. I'm going to put this like this so all my Crayola markers are on one side. Repair work they need to do. I probably cut that for comb. There's honey in there. And then we're going to get this one to repair as well. It's empty so they can it's empty so they can just clean it out and add honey in there, hopefully, nectar. That's all I'm going to give them. 5 more. Gosh, there's no breeze. This is coming right into me. We're gonna put that back on. Smells good. It's got some cedar in there. There's some pine. Okay. I had the 2 divider boards just to keep them stable. I probably will do that again. These little bugs. There are so many bugs here. Bug person would love to camp out and identify them all. Okay, let's go. Doesn't look like, yep, comb starter strip on 13. I want to look at that one. That propolis. I think they've added all of that. That's a big old drone. Okay, they can go exploring. see that? That's a drone. Gosh, they're big. All right, I'm not gonna break all of these apart back here because I just have to put them all together. Breaking between 13 and 14 will give me a good idea. Oh, there's a little ant. What's going on? Lots of roar. And push them together so they don't know what's going on. Frame 13 is the one that I added a comb starter strip. So we are gonna pull this one up. Let's check it out. There's another drone. Big. Big boys. Okay. All right. These girls are small. Well, smaller than last year. They look thinner than last year. Blacks and brown bodies for striping. Drones are huge, just huge. This frame just had some comb on that top bar. I cut all the comb off of this frame and sold it last summer. So this frame is just a free-form piece of beautiful comb. So I am adding quite a bit of frames to both of my hives today. Our major nectar flow will be in a couple weeks. I won't be here to add frames, and I prefer this summer to be less invasive in my hives. These are second year boxes, although these are first year colonies. Since they're second year boxes, I've got resources that they can use. Oh, there's smoke. Since these are second year boxes, I had resources from last year that they used to get started. So I anticipate, if the weather cooperates and we have nectar and pollen, that I will be able to extract honey this year. I will need to get an extractor. Last year I just cut comb and sold it that way, and did crush and strain for my family. Okay, this is frame 12. Let's see what's going on with frame 12. Heavy. Oh my gosh. Heavy, like with honey. Nectar. Tons of nectar. Tons. Some capped. Could have been from last year. We have a queen cell at the bottom, but I bet you that's from last year. And I know this hive may sound angry, but it's not. It's those drones. I'm gonna get rid of that. Drone. It's the drones. They're so big. That's part of it, Mom. Now for those using Layens hives, I just did it. I tend to put my fingers underneath the tab, which is bad because that tab has to go flush on the frame here. You need to learn to handle your frames from the sides, from the long sides. Mom, I need smoker control over here. Can you smell it? You can't smell the smoke? It's because it's just, there's no breezing it to you. Got a frame in here marked G. Those are the frames that my brother-in-law Gary made. And I would have put a wax starter strip on it. So, let's see how they're doing here. Comb all the way down. Drone. Honey at the top, drone at the bottom. Wow, this is all drone food. What you hear are the drones. I couldn't see the starter strip on that, but it's probably covered up. Frame 8. Worker brood, good. Good, good, good. Looks like a lot of them were hatching. Okay. Bring that down. It's the same on the other side too, so happy about that. Okay. Try to squish everybody together. Oh, my brush. Okay, that's it. This is Super Bee Shirley with BBS Bees. We'll buzz you later. Bye. Look at that smoker.